I love the sounds of Minnesota, and the most memorable sound I've heard surprised me on a 10-degree December day 4 years ago. I walked the woodchip path around Bloomington's Highland Lake and was drawn by a deep, echoing hum with a musical quality, as if the lake had swallowed a live orchestra. I stopped and listened to a muffled melody that was suddenly shot through with sounds of rapid lasers, like you'd hear in a science fiction movie. I heard the lake sing, sigh, pound, and thump. I'd lived in Minnesota for 55 winters and didn't know that a lake makes beautiful music as it solidifies. I hope to hear that sound again in my lifetime.